Winners don't make excuses. They embrace challenges head-on and take responsibility for their actions. Let's dive into this powerful mindset and explore how it can propel you toward success. Excuses serve as roadblocks on the path to achievement. They limit our potential, hold us back, and prevent us from reaching our goals. Winners, on the other hand, adopt a different approach. They refuse to let excuses stand in their way. Instead, they take ownership of their circumstances and find ways to overcome obstacles. Winners understand that challenges are part of the journey toward success. They recognize that setbacks and failures are opportunities for growth and learning. Rather than making excuses when faced with difficulties, winners face them head-on. They view obstacles as stepping stones towards their goals and refuse to let them define their outcomes. Accountability is a fundamental trait of winners. They hold themselves responsible for their actions, choices, and results. Winners understand that they have control over their own destiny. They don't blame external factors or circumstances for their lack of progress. Instead, they take proactive steps to make things happen. Winners are focused on solutions, not excuses. When faced with a setback or a challenge, they immediately shift their mindset to find creative solutions. They ask themselves, what can I do to overcome this, rather than dwelling on what went wrong. Winners understand that finding solutions is the key to moving forward and achieving their goals. Taking responsibility for our actions requires honesty and self-reflection. Winners continuously evaluate their performance, seeking areas for improvement. They recognize their weaknesses, but they don't use them as excuses. Instead, winners work diligently to develop and strengthen their skills, knowing that personal growth is essential for success. Winners also surround themselves with a supportive network. They seek out mentors, coaches, and like-minded individuals who encourage and inspire them. A strong support system holds winners accountable and helps them stay motivated and focused on their goals. They don't allow negative influences or naysayers to deter their progress. Remember, the path to success is rarely smooth. There will be bumps along the way, but winners rise above those challenges. They persevere, adapt, and keep pushing forward. Winners understand that greatness is not achieved overnight, but through consistent effort, determination, and the refusal to make excuses. So, let go of excuses, my friends. Embrace a mindset of responsibility, accountability, and solution-seeking. Take ownership of your actions and outcomes. Face challenges with resilience and a determination to overcome them. Surround yourself with a supportive network that uplifts and encourages you. You have the power to be a winner. Believe in your abilities, stay focused on your goals, and never make excuses. Success awaits those who take charge of their lives and refuse to settle for anything less. Now is the time to step up, embrace the winner within you, and make your dreams a reality. Winners possess unwavering determination and a relentless work ethic. They understand that achieving greatness requires consistent effort and a willingness to go above and beyond. Winners are willing to put in the extra hours, push through obstacles, and persevere even when faced with adversity. They have a burning desire to succeed that propels them forward, no matter the challenges they encounter. Resilience is a key characteristic of winners. They understand that setbacks and failures are not the end but rather stepping stones on the path to success. Winners bounce back from disappointments, learn from their mistakes, and use them as opportunities to grow stronger. They view failures as valuable lessons that guide them towards improvement and eventual triumph. Winners possess a strong sense of self-belief. They have confidence in their abilities, talents, and potential. They understand that success starts from within and that their mindset plays a crucial role in their achievements. Winners cultivate a positive inner dialogue, replace self-doubt with self-assurance, and visualize their goals with clarity and conviction. Continuous learning is a core principle for winners. They never settle for mediocrity but instead seek knowledge and skills to stay ahead. Winners read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and engage in personal development activities. They understand that learning is a lifelong journey and that each new piece of information or skill acquired brings them closer to their goals. Winners understand the importance of goal setting. They set ambitious but realistic goals that align with their vision and values. Winners break down their goals into actionable steps, creating a roadmap that guides their actions. They regularly review and reassess their progress, making necessary adjustments to stay on track and maintain their momentum. Winners embrace the power of persistence and consistency. They understand that success is not an overnight event but rather a culmination of small, consistent efforts over time. Winners show up day in and day out, regardless of external circumstances or temporary setbacks. They understand that each small step forward accumulates into significant progress and eventual success. Celebrating victories, both big and small, is crucial for winners. They acknowledge their accomplishments and take time to reflect on how far they have come. Celebrating milestones boosts their motivation, reinforces their belief in themselves, and fuels their drive to keep pushing forward. Lastly, winners understand the importance of balance and self-care. They recognize that sustainable success comes from taking care of their physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Winners prioritize self-care activities such as exercise, proper nutrition, quality sleep, and time for relaxation. They understand that maintaining balance in their lives allows them to perform at their best and sustain long-term success. So, my friends, adopt the mindset of a winner. Cultivate determination, resilience, and self-belief. Commit to continuous learning, set clear goals, and embrace persistence and consistency. Celebrate your victories and prioritize self-care. With this mindset and these actions, you are on the path to becoming the best version of yourself and achieving the success you desire. Keep pushing forward, and remember, you have what it takes to be a true winner.